Hi guys, good evening. Mayroon akong customer dito, BMW 428i 2020 model. Okay, BMW. I put oil already. I did the oil change and we need to measure uh, the oil measurement. Okay, first menu, and then you will go there vehicle, no? And then after vehicle information, click. Okay, then vehicle status, click again. Okay, then you have to tick first this oil, engine oil level, no? Click that one. So if there is a tick, mean to say it's okay. Then you go down, measurement engine. Okay, and then start measurement, and same as an Audi, reading percentage. Okay, I put already 5 liters. Ayan, 24% na siya. Magbabasa siya, no, hanggang 100%. Tapos i-equal niya kung ang oil niya is 5 full or maximum or mga ganon. %70. Yeah, 100% na siya. Tapos magkasabi doon minimum or maximum. Thank you for watching.